Welcome again, my dear CLAT aspirants. Hope you are watching our previous videos. To watch our previous videos where we are analyzing the 2022 CLAT original test paper, please check out the playlist where we have come up with a detailed analysis of the total test, and by small videos we are giving you a clear idea how you can go at the different segments of the questions. Already there are videos in the playlist where I have explained the legal reasoning part. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be having more information and small videos which will help you to prepare for national level law entrance exams like SLAT, LSAT, CLAT, AILET, etc. So previous question we looked at up to question number 70. Here I am, we will have a small discussion, small idea as to how the questions came from 71 to 75 and probably 96 onwards in your test paper, 96 to 100 probably, because the master key it is given as 71 to 75. This again I believe a very easy area. Any CLAT aspirant would have gone through the basic provisions of fundamental rights where right to religion is given, but at the same time there are certain restrictions. Being a secular country, the state shall not promote any religion per se. No funds shall be utilized for promoting any religion. So if we are able to distinguish going through that given problem statement or the explanation as to the secular character and how the constitution guarantees freedom of religion on one side, at the same time prohibits a government from levying a tax. If you are very clear with that word, levying a tax is absolutely prohibited, but levying a fee is permissible. So as I said earlier, you will have to break up that particular given principles into small points. It's very clear, it's guaranteed, the freedom of religion is guaranteed. The general policy of the Constitution of India that no money shall be paid out of the public funds for promoting or maintaining any particular religion. So that is the second point. Okay, but this doesn't prevent from collecting any proceeds which are specifically appropriated for religious or rather certain related this like health, safety and welfare of the pilgrims which are possible. So if you break up the given legal principle into small points, as I told earlier, it will be easy for you to recall when you answer the questions. And the questions in this segment, I would say very simple, straight and direct, except to 72 and 73 you may find it a bit confusing, but once you read it very clearly it's quite easy. Okay, so looking at question number 71, probably 96 in your test paper, the given situation, a taxpayer is challenging because state government is spending money for renovation of a public tank. Of course, the public tank or the water tanks belongs to a Hindu temple, but it is very clearly given it is being used for general public irrespective of their religious denomination. So it's very clear. So renovation of that particular public tank is not promotion of any religion, not diverting funds for any particular benefit of any particular religion alone. It's as good as funding a project which is beneficial to the public. So once you are very clear, this is not anything to do with Hindu temple or Hindu religion, though the tank belongs to them, you will be answering it very clearly. The given answer is B, because the state cannot be said to be promoting or maintaining Hindu religion in this particular context. It is actually spending the money for general public alone. So no question of challenge. It's a very easy question. You can easily straight away understand. Mandamus will not lie here. 72, again the given context is there was a communal clash and the state government utilized public funds for restoring the places of worship of both religions. So in this question number 72 or 97 in your paper, you won't be finding it no confusion at all, because in the question it is given the worship places of both the religions are being renovated. So there is, the state answer is B. State government is not violating the constitution as it is not promoting or maintaining any particular religion. But when you answer 72 this way, there might be there is a heavy chance that you might get confused with question number 73, because here also the same thing is, there is a communal clash, but here the fund is being used or utilized only to promote the place of worship of religion B, or rather to renovate, okay, or restoring the places of one particular religion. Here it's quite, there is a heavy chance that student may have a confusion. Unlike the question above, where both religions are mentioned, here only one religion, restoration of religious place of one religion is done. Still, it is not violative of principles of constitution. So answer C, because both not required. In the above context, both A and B was given. That doesn't mean that in this thing, if you are promoting or restoring the religious place of B alone, it is violative. No, it's a very tricky question, but if you read it in the right perspective, not carrying the influence of the previous question, you may not go wrong. Question number 74 really is a classic question where your keenness when you read is being tested, because what is being prohibited is cannot be compelled to pay any tax. Okay, it's specifically given. The only thing permissible is to collect a fee or a levy, but the first statement itself the law is made where it is made mandatory to pay hefty pilgrimage tax. So I think you would have immediately decided this particular clause is against constitution. So your search would have been, you need not, is violative. Option A is violative but not the right reason. B is not violative and D is not violative. Don't spend time on option B and D. Straight away look, the logic given in A is not correct. It is not promoting or maintaining religion. No, it is not correct. The correct answer is State Governments Act is violative of constitution as it is compelled pay tax for promoting or maintaining religion X. So it's a very good question, where if you would have read that problem statement in the right perspective, no question of going wrong. The last question with respect to this particular category, question number 75. Here, for the purpose of meeting the expenses of the commission and the staff, every Hindu temple in the state, okay, that also is carrying a bit weightage. Every Hindu temple, they are just asked to share a proceeds whereby maintenance or administration of their own activities carried off. So there is no question of charging or levying a tax on any individual. State is not utilizing the fund for promotion of any religion. Option A is the answer. And here I would say it is not violative. You are clear when you answered A. It is not violative of the constitution because its objects, the object of that particular requirement is the proper administration, not promotion of any religion. Here I would suggest that should be your strategy. You are clear, option A is the answer. Please don't spend further time on re-verifying unnecessarily option B, C and D. So this is again I would suggest a proper preparation and guidance going through the basic aspects of constitution. If you have done, it would have been very easy to crack this question, not so confusing or tricky. We will be coming up with more videos. We will be discussing in detail all the questions of CLAT 2022 and also providing you some basic principles which you should prepare to crack CLAT. So for more videos, subscribe to our channel, prepare well, let you be there in the list of premium law schools. Wish you all the best. Thank you.